Hello, Microsoft is making it easier for developers to set up and use Windows Dev machines with DevHome. It uses the Windows Package Manager to generate a configuration file to install the apps, tools, and packages that developers need. It also includes the ability to configure coding environments in the cloud using Microsoft's DevBox and GitHub Codespaces. The DevHome dashboard also includes GitHub integration.Developers can add dev drive options to their environment setup for new Windows Dev machines. DevHome takes advantage of the fact that many enterprises now offer their own version of the Windows operating system with built-in support for creating and managing their own development environments using the WebExtend and other similar tools such as BitTorrent. Additionally, the company has improved its support for writing code in the cloud with tools like BitTorrent and Gritspaces. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.